we go to work. If the boss says you be there at 9, we're going to be there just before 9. If the boss says do this, we do that. Whatever we are told in the work environment, we then oblige. Why then, when we tell ourselves to do something like eat healthier, start exercising, start an online digital marketing ebook or a PDF or something that you can share with people, why do we then go against what we have told ourselves? Isn't it amazing how the mind is? How important is it for us to grow ourselves? But we lie to ourselves. We don't do the things that we really ask of ourselves. And this is an aha moment for me, because I realized, oh my word, Erica, you are so guilty of this. So if you feel that you'd like to know a little bit more how we can get this mindset to actually start saying yes to ourselves and start saying, yes, we deserve it. And not just say yes to other people, but to ourselves as well. Just message me, yes. And I'm going to speak to you on a one-to-one about how you could possibly change your life. You're busy, you're in corporate, you're a professional, but you just know something needs to be added to your life or something needs to change. Message me, yes, and let's have a one-to-one.